Aloha and welcome to my kitchen. This is the heart of my home and my name is Andrus-Price. I'm just wondering, are you feeling stressed, kind of anxious, maybe sad inside? It is not a surprise if you answer yes, because there's so much going on in this world. There's so much chaos and so much anger and frustration. And so I wanted to share with you simple ways to create peace and healing within your space and your home. Don't worry, it's not one more thing you have to add to your to-do list. It involves something that you already do, and it involves food. All of us eat. So we have an opportunity 2 or 3 times a day to take just a moment or two to create this balance and this grounding. And it only takes 4 steps. And the first step is to set an intention. Whenever you are about to prepare your meal or to eat your meal, take a nice big deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And set an intention to be present. Did you feel your energy shift when you took that deep breath? That signals to your mind, body, and spirit that you're doing something new. So once you set the intention of being present, the next thing to do is to connect. And I do it before I start my meals or before I start cooking, especially if it's a hard day after work and I'm all stressed out. I connect with myself and I ask myself how I'm feeling. Am I having stress in my neck and shoulders? And again, I take another big deep breath in through my nose. And release that tension when I blow out. Just connecting with ourselves is important, especially as women who are working moms. We come home, we've spent all day helping others, and we are continuing that journey to help others, but we don't take time for us. And so this is a way to make your meal prep time and your eating time a time for you. So once you connect to self, then connect to source, God, spirit, universe, whatever name you have for it. And I like to do that by just closing my eyes and sending my essence out, my heart chakra energy out, my love. And with that, I invite Creator, God, Spirit to join me. And that only takes a couple of seconds, and I can feel His presence, and I can feel that I am loved and that I am aware of, that He is aware of me, and that gives me another sense of peace. The next thing after you connect to self and source is to be open to inspiration. While you're cooking, invite answers to things that may be troubling you. Also, be like a little child where you enjoy what you're working with, the ingredients, the colors, the smells, the textures. Again, this is all stuff that you are already doing, and you can incorporate these simple methods into making your time of preparing and eating one that just helps you to balance all of the craziness that is in this world. And then the last thing is to express gratitude. You cannot hold fear or anxiousness or anger when you are holding gratitude. I like to start with giving thanks for my hands. I have a friend who is born without any limbs, and so I give thanks for my hands, that I can take the opportunity to use my hands to create a meal and to create space to bring in some peace and healing. I hope that this has helped you. If it has, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, take care now. Aloha.